On today's video, we're gonna be talking about joint health. And no, not that joint you're thinking about out there, but I like the way you're thinking, maybe on a different show. But on today's show, we're gonna be talking about joint health. What is joints when we're talking about it? Well, let's go ahead and define it. The joint is an area where two or more bones meet and connect, which is your forearm bone to your arm bone or your arm bone to your shoulder bone, etc., etc. And why is joint health so important to us? Well, simply because we use our joints every single day, okay? When we're just walking, we're using our knee joints and ankle joints. When we're lifting something up, we're using our elbow joints and wrist joints, etc. So it's very important for us to cover this and to let you understand how to prevent it, how to remedy it, and also how to strengthen it so that you do not get hurt and stay out of the hospital so you can have more time in the gym. Agreed? Yeah, I thought so. So let's get started. So first of all, let's talk about the prevention of joint pain or joint injury. Whenever we get into a gym or even thinking about working out, our main concern and priority should be to properly warm up. And as we get older into age, we gotta make sure that this is one of the things we knock out first before exercising at all. Okay, so we have stretching videos that we have did in the past, which are on the YouTube playlist. So if you haven't checked it out, go ahead and head on over there, check out those videos. It'll teach you how to stretch and properly rotate your joints. Now after you've done that, let's talk about the remedy. So you're lifting weights and you're coming on off of a huge set, right? Boom, and you get off and you feel that sudden pain either in this joint, the elbow joint, right? Again, the elbow joint is right here and the joints allow the two bones to move. Okay, so whenever you have that pain in the joint, just like that, coming off of the bench press, there are several key things to look at. Number one, how much weight are we using? Okay, if you're 150 pounds and you're lifting 350 on the incline bench, that's probably not gonna be very, soothing for your joint at all. Number two, is the equipment the right equipment for you? Only you can make that decision, okay? So don't use stuff that you see out there that you have no clue how to work. That's the number one reason why people get hurt. They end up chewing more than they can eat or biting off more than they can chew. Lastly, the thing you want to look at is your form. Are you doing these things correctly? Are these exercises correct form and correct intensity level for your exercise and fitness level? For us, we like to go lightweight. We don't do the ego lifting anymore. That was back in the day when we were like 12 or 13. How old you think we really are, huh? Now we're smarter. We work out better and we want to preserve ourselves so that we can stay in that gym and look like that 25-year-old while we're 55. Yeah? Yeah, that's my philosophy and that's what I want to get into. Now let's go to my favorite part, which is strengthening our joints. So here's two really quick tips on strengthening your lower body and upper body. To start off, we love legs. We love doing legs around here. So to strengthen our joints in our leg area, which there's about three, your ankle, your knee, and your hip joint, we start off any leg workout with, you guessed it, air squats. So they're very basic and fundamental, but they're very, very hard to keep it as a discipline. But we want to ensure that we have good joint health. So we do this almost every leg day prior to conducting your heavier weights here and heavier exercise. So we do air squats before every leg workout that we do as part of our strength training. And real quick, to show you a proper air squat, it is conducted like this. Start with your feet and knees, shoulder width apart, just like that. Hands on your hips, okay? And then you're gonna squat as if there's a chair seated right behind you. Just like that. Slowly, pause, come back up. Slowly, pause, come back up. And remember, if you watch the other form videos that we have created, you never lock your knees, just like that. Right at the tip where you're just about to lock it, stay right there and allow yourself to withstand all that pain in your quad area, calf, all the basic muscle that's surrounding that joint area. Again, shoulder width apart, hands on your hips, coming down like you're sitting on a chair and back up. Boom! Never locking those knees and those joints so that you can preserve them, okay, and start strengthening them just like we talked about. Number two, for the upper body. The upper body basically consists of your elbow joint, your wrist joint, and your shoulder joint. For this specific demonstration, we're going to go ahead and show you how to properly warm up on your shoulder joint, okay? Just like that. we typically use these dumbbells the lowest weight possible. We don't want any heavy weight. We just want to basically warm them up and provide some strength so that we can withstand more weight as we're working through our working sets of our workout. Open door, close door. Same thing with the other arm. Open door, close the door. Open door, close the door. Okay? Once you do about 3 sets of those, 10 to 12 repetitions, nice and slow, strengthening that joint area, you want to start with the new exercise. Just like this, and go upwards. Upwards. Okay? I'll do it with this arm. Upwards. Nice and slow. Upwards. And you can feel it in that shoulder joint area, and you may hear some cracks, so don't be alarmed, but that's all part of warming this thing up and strengthening it, okay? And if you don't have dumbbells, don't be afraid and don't think that you've lost, okay? Because you can simply do the same exercise with no weight, just like that. Really nice and slow. And just imagine that you're holding on to 5-pound dumbbells. Same effect. To go a little bit even further, if you have bands just like this, you can utilize this just like that, okay? You can use it to help strengthen your joint if you have no dumbbells. So if it's already too late and you feel some sort of joint pain or you feel like you have a joint injury, please stop what you're doing, stop going to the gym, and go ahead and seek medical attention. But before you even go there and get that appointment to see your medical doctor, we recommend that you ice that mug, okay? Whether it be in your knees or your elbows or your shoulders, ice that thing so the swelling and the inflammation can go down before you go to the doctor so that you can at least alleviate some of that pain. The second remedy that we want to talk about today is utilizing some sort of external cream that's going to help us alleviate some of that pain. And today we highly recommend this veterinary liniment gel, okay? This stuff is used on horses because they have joint pain. But we can use it. It's verified through Amazon, through all the medical doctors, professionals. They do recommend this on human skin. So we've been using this, and anytime we feel some sort of joint pain or even muscle pain, we get like a dime side portion of this stuff right here, rub it nice and good into our skin area, and lo and behold, 2 days later, that soreness goes away. So please, we're not sponsored by these people. We just want to help. This is the stuff that really actually works. In addition to joint health, and if you're athletes like we are and love staying into the gym, you might want to consider taking some sort of supplementation to help your joints. Because remember what we talked about earlier, we need our joints for everything. And if one joint goes down, it's just like a body part, basically, because it connects 2 bones together so it can move freely. And in terms of the gym, which we're talking about specifically today, you might as well kiss the gym goodbye. So today, we recommend krill oil. Now, krill oil, you probably may have heard of it, but there's different ranges. Okay, you can buy the very cheap ones that you buy at Walmart, or you can go to the medium ones where you can buy your nutrition sports shop, or you can take our advice, which we've been taking this stuff for over 4 years now and received miraculous benefits from it. Not only for our joint health, but cholesterol, okay, and easy absorption, all these added benefits that fish oil with omega-3s in it can help you with your joint health. So today, I mean, you're gonna get what you pay for, okay? And the money is gonna be basically going towards how good this fish oil can be, because some of them are just watered down oil. This one right here, which we recommend, Krill Oil MD, the link is gonna be down there. Again, we don't get paid for this stuff. This is the stuff that our clients are taking, we're taking, and has received numerous benefits from it, and we'd like to share it with you. And this specific krill oil is very expensive, especially for an average budget. But you know us at FitStem, we found loopholes that can get a deal on them. In fact, I just got 6 bottles for under $100. So we got the link below, and look forward to the videos coming out to help save you money on supplements and bodybuilding overall. So if you know somebody, a buddy of yours who's on the couch who doesn't know what the heck they're doing and have joint pain, and no, not that joint pain, right? But this joint pain, refer them over here. Or share this video to all your family and friends so they can protect their joint and live a long, healthy lifestyle lifting weights. Yeah.